Imelda Papin. Strong. Miss Luisa. Makinig mo buti. Sino kumanta nito? Go!
Imelda Papin po!
Ah?
Imelda Papin!
Sinabi rin niya yun eh.
Ay! Oo nga pala.
Mali din. Ang kumanta nito ay si Eva Eugenio.
Eva Eugenio pala.
Ito ang tukso. Okay. Lagay yung mga kamay natin. Pwesto. Aling Pemya. Okay. Ito na po ang ating kantalong. Titulado. Title ng kanta. Go. Go.
Tiny Bubble.
Pasok na kayo! Ano? Ayaw mo na maglaro? Ayaw na maglaro? O, dito kayo. Dito. 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 Doon, tama. Dalawa na, okay. Ito po, siyempre, sa Aling Edna at Jinly Ginelli. Okay. Nanay Edna, yung pong camera, bumati po kayo.
Hi, Will. Binabati ko po yung amo kong nasa States.
Wow. Sino pong inyong mahal na amo?
Si Mrs. Lourdes Bayuda Gonzales.
Okay, nasa stay sila.
Nasa...
Babakasyon.
gusto
LA?
kanyang makita.
Okay. Batiin niyo po. Napapunta tayo sa internet. Go. Batiin niyo po.
Ay. First and foremost, I would like to say hi to my big boss back in the States.
Okay. And then, what else, ma'am?
And also to my, to her husband, Architect Gonzales. Thank you that you're let me...
What? It's okay, it's okay. You can say
Na
that.
pinalaro, binigyan nila ako ng ano para maglaro po dito.
Okay.
At saka I would like to...
They allowed you?
In person. Oh, yes.
What again? What again?
I would like to see you in person.
Same here. Same here. Okay. Mommy, do you have a motto or saying in life? Do you have a motto?
Try until you succeed.
Okay. About saying.
Singing,
Saying. You have a saying.
I have nothing more.
Nothing more. That's a nice saying. Nothing more.
Nothing more to
Okay.
say.
Who's that? Who's that guy?
Which one?
Are you with somebody, ma'am? Are you with somebody?
I was with my
You were.
alaga.
Where's your alaga?
I don't know.
You see him? Where?
I don't know where he is. Ay,
There is your alaga.
he's an engineer.
What?
Marami akong alaga. There are 4. One is a doctor, and the second one is an architect, the third one is an engineer, and the fourth one is accountancy. I've been proud of them.
Oh, thank you.
I was staying with them for almost 20 years.
They've been staying for the
Oh, yeah.
family. The
Oh,
family
yeah.
name is what? What is the family name?
Architect Gonzales, Josepino Gonzales.
Okay. Okay.
Ang-
Alaga ka. Na yung, wala ka pa sa mundo, inaalagaan na kayo. Ni
1
Aling
year old
Edna.
po.
Okay. Ikaw daw isang engineer?
Yes, sir.
Graduate ka na?
Yes, sir.
Nag-board ka na?
Reviewing po.
Reviewing. Wow,
Yes.
good luck. Saan ka
Thank you.
nagtapos?
Adamson University po.
Alright, wow. Congratulations.
you.
Napakaganda ng relasyon nyo sa inyong mga kasambay kay Yaya. Ano gusto mo sabihin, Joseph, kay Yaya?
Okay. Yaya. Start natin. Kasabi mo sa akin kaninang umaga, maswerte ako na nagkaroon ako ng mabubuting magulang. Hindi ako pinapalo. Pero mas maswerte na pag-isip-isip ko na mas maswerte pala ako ngayon. Dahil meron akong katulad mo na magulang. Hindi kita tinuturing bilang isang yaya, kundi isang magulang. I love you,
Thank
ya.
you, Jeff.
Thank you very much. P.S. Yung curfew ko, gawin mong 12 midnight.
Kasi,
May curfew ka pa? Graduate ka na?
no, really, I am very disciplined to them.
Wow.
They
She's
have
like a...
curfew.
What? Huh?
They have curfew before
They have
12
curfew?
Oh, yes.
Eh, what do you do pag naka-curfew sila?
I've been roving all around.
Oh.
I'm scared that somebody will put a hand on them.
She's scared, no? Okay. So, what is your message to you, Joseph, and to the family?
I want them to be at home at before 12, inside the house, not outside.
All right. And also, what do you want to tell the family?
Jeff, I love you, and I love you with all my heart, all of you.
I love you too, ya.
Wow.
20 years.
20 years, ano?
Oh, yes.
Napakaswerte naman ng pamilyang yan.
He's only 1 year old, and the youngest is now in
Para kang
third year
ano?
college.
1 year old, para kayong binibenta sa ano? Ano yun?
Market?
Hindi. Kwek-kwek. 1 year old. What? Ganun na kwek-kwek. 1 year old lang.
Itlog?
Bumibili ako ng dati sa may farmers. 1 year old, masarap yan. Sagmang suka. Sile. Yung suka na nandun sa lagayan na kulay itim na yung suka. Nahawakan ng lahat. Ang sarap nun.
Can I say hello to Dr. Gonzalez?
Sure, ma'am.
Iris, nandito na po ako, Iris. Good luck to your, she's going to graduate this coming April 18
Oh, very nice,
as
huh?
a doctor.
Doctor. Wow. She's a doctor. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Hi, doctor. Okay, ano pa ang talent?
Singing. Can I hug you, Willie?
Sure, you can hug me anytime. Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
All right. Nanay Edna, go.
You are the answer to my lonely prayer. You are an angel from above. I was so lonely till you came to me with the wonder of your love. I don't know how I ever let you go. You are, oh my darling, I love you so. You mean everything to me.
Wow. Thank you, Nanay Yaya Edna. Wow, beautiful song. Because you've been so honest, because you're so loyal to your amo, you have 10,000. Ginelli, aling Ginelli o Ginli?
Jenny po.
Lapit mo sa mic.
Jenny po.
Ginelli, tiga saan po kayo?
Taga Murong po.
Murong?
Apo.
Kayo pa'y kasambahay o yaya?
Kasambahay po.
Kasambahay sa kanino pong mga amo?
Kasambahay po ako ni Mrs. Los Finiquito.
Ha?
Kasambahay po ako ni Ate Los ni Finiquito.
Pilikito?
Apo.
Sino si Miss Pilikito?
Andyan po.
Ah, nandiyan kasama nyo. Tiga saan po kayo?
Taga Murong po.
Saan sa Murong?
Sa Bumbungan po.
Bumbungan?
Apo.
Okay. Ganda. Ilan po ang anak nyo?
5 po.
5.
Apo.
Ang inyong mister, anong trabaho?
Wala po siya.
Ha?
Wala po siya. I let him free.
You let him pray?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Yaya Edna just told me about the saying or the motto. Do you have a motto in life?
I am trying my best. Even though I could not speak fluently, but I'm trying my best to
Okay.
make my motto.
So, what is your motto? Oh, it might fall down. Careful. You know, London Bridge. The bridge is falling
Yes.
down. Okay. All right. But before that,
But before anything else,
okay.
can I hug you?
Sure.
I miss you so much.
Oh, thank you very much. All right. Okay. Oh, nanay. What is your motto, nanay?
Aanhin ko pa ang damo kung patay na ang kabayo.
Wow, very nice. Very, very new, very new. Sino po ang kasama nyo?
Yun pong mabait kong amo na si Ate Los
Mrs.
Finiquito.
Luz
Apo.
Benedicto.
Finiquito po.
Ha?
Finiquito.
Finiquito.
Yes.
Spell Finiquito.
If I
If I were a boy.
kill you,
Sige ba?
pardon me.
I am sorry. No, pardon. Okay. Okay.
If I N-E-Q-U-E-T.
Yes, slowly. Quiet, please. Listen to the... Okay. Spell... Ano?
Finiquito.
Finiquito. Go.
If I N-E-Q-U-A-T-O.
What's that?
Finiquito.
Finiquito. Pakilala niyo po. Mami Luz, magandang gabi sa inyo. Anong gusto niyo sabihin sa inyong yaya?
Kasambahay po.
Good evening po, Kuya Will. Jenlyn, maraming salamat sa paglilingkod mo sa amin tahanan. Alam ko, gustong-gusto mong mapunta dito sa Willing Willie. Kasi kailangan mo talaga yan. Kasi gagraduate po ang kanyang anak. Validic. Kaya congratulations na kahit hindi pa nag-ano.
Ano gusto mo
Thank you
sabihin sa Mrs. Pinikito?
Ma'am, maraming salamat. Thank you so much for being my employer. You are a good, kind to me.
What else? You're a good kind to her, okay?
Besides that, I like your attitude, including the entire member of your family.
Thank you.
What
I
else?
promise you, I will stay with your family until forever if you could not change your attitude towards me.
I like that. And what else?
I'll do my best being your, what do you call this? I'll do